Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Do English. In today's lesson, we will learn about pronouns. This is the fifth lesson in our series, Parts of Speech. Before we go further, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get instant updates of all my latest videos. Let us get into the lesson. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. We often use them to avoid repeating the nouns that is being referred to. For example, Kate is going to school. She is in her third year now. Instead of saying Kate is in her third year, we use the pronoun she. Now there are different types of pronouns, the first one being personal pronouns. There are three types of personal pronouns. The first one being nominative or subjective pronoun. Here the pronoun becomes the subject of the sentence. For example, I, you, we, she, it, they. Example, I am going to the store. Note that in this example, I is the subject of the sentence. Another example would be, she is going to visit her friend. Possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is used to indicate ownership. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. For example, this book is hers. This bag is mine. Note that possessive pronouns do not have an apostrophe to it. Now, the third type of pronoun under the personal pronoun would be objective pronoun. An objective pronoun acts as the object of a sentence. For example, me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Example, he has gone to meet her. Note that in this example, her becomes the object in the sentence. We wanted to team up with them. Indefinite pronouns. We often use indefinite pronouns when we don't want to refer to any noun in particular. Indefinite pronouns are the following: few, everyone, some, all, many, several, less, little, anything, nobody. For example, many friends have come to celebrate. Note that indefinite pronouns that ends in one is always singular. For example, anyone, someone, everyone, one. Let's look at the example here. Someone is here. Note that with indefinite pronoun someone, the singular verb is used. Indefinite pronouns that ends in body is always singular. Pronouns like somebody, nobody, everybody. For example, nobody is here. Indefinite pronouns that ends in both few, many, others, several are always plural. For example, both of the options are good. Relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are used to relate back someone or something. They are used to join two sentences and refer to the same person or thing. Relative pronouns include who, whose, whom, which, and that. Who replaces the subject pronouns I, you, we, she, it, they. For example, she is my coach who became my good friend. We have two sentences here that we have been able to combine with the help of relative pronoun who. The first sentence being she is my coach, and the second sentence she became my good friend. Who can also be directly tied to the subject she. Whose is used to indicate possession. She is a person whose opinion matters a lot. Whom replaces the object pronoun me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Note that whom is the person who receives the action, and the object comes first before the subject. The person whom we met an hour ago is my relative. Note that in this example, the person is the object. Whom goes right after the object, and we have the subject here that comes after the object, which is we, which relates to animals and objects. This book, which comes under the nonfiction category, is my favorite. That relates to people, animals, and objects. She is the girl that I was talking to you about. Reciprocal pronoun. When two or more subjects act in the same way towards the other. Each other is used when there are two people or things involved. For example, Jim and Jackie cares about each other. One another is used when there are more than two people or things involved. For example, in a team, it's important to know one another well. The family members and relatives were introduced to one another. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of a verb refers to the same person or thing. Reflexive pronouns end in self or selves. Reflexive pronouns are the following: myself, himself, herself, itself, oneself, themselves, ourselves, yourselves. Reflexive pronouns are placed at the end for emphasis. They are used with the preposition by and for. For example, I went to the store by myself. Note that in this example, the subject I and the object myself refers to the same person. They got everything for themselves. Intensive pronouns. Intensive pronouns emphasize the noun or pronoun. They appear right after the noun or pronoun. Now, intensive pronouns include myself, himself, herself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. For example, I myself have been instrumental for my growth. They themselves had to get the packages ready. Note that the key difference between reciprocal pronoun and intensive pronoun is reciprocal pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same. Intensive pronouns are used to emphasize the subject. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific, and they can be singular or plural. Now, demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. Note that this and that are singular, while these and those are plural. For example, this is my bag. Those items are mine. Demonstrative pronouns can also be used with people. Isn't that Ken? This is Sasha. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns helps in forming questions. For example, who, whose, whom, what, and which are all examples of interrogative pronouns. Who is that girl? And you could choose your answer from the list of subject pronouns. And you could frame your answer as in the following way: she is my friend. Whose is used to refer to possession. Whose car is that? Whom refers to the object or person receiving the action. Whom are you planning to meet this vacation? And you could frame your answer in the following way: I am planning to meet her. And here you can choose your answer from the list of object pronouns. What refers to people, ideas, or things. What are you looking for? Which refers to person or thing. Which amongst these is your favorite? Distributive pronouns are pronouns that describes the members of a group separately and not collectively. Distributive pronouns are each, every, either, neither, everyone, none, no one, any, etc. A distributive pronoun is always singular and as such should be followed by a singular verb. For example, each of you is required to bring your project to work. Either of us can come. Note that each of is followed by a plural noun and a singular verb. Each of the boys is required to do their homework. When speaking of two people or things, either and neither should be used. When more than two people or things are involved, any, no one, none should be used. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'm happy to be a part of your journey to bettering your English skills. Your support is important and integral in bringing out great content. So subscribe, like, and share. Also, leave your comment and let me know how my videos are helping you better your English skills. See you soon with another video.